Oh, well, I didn't know that meant for in there. I thought it was for over here. New signs are going up. All right, guys. We got a whole mess of stuff here on this one. I'm not sure what the deal is, but they're in big trouble. I do know that much.
My goodness. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Yeah.
7. That might be what that other stuff is. Probably fine for this one there. Yeah, it's under this one.
Yeah. That's a tremendous amount of weed.
Huh?
That's a lot of weed. Golly, it stinks so bad.
Yeah, I'll have to be careful touching thing in there. I haven't really got to dig through it yet.
Yeah, this is probably not the preferred spot to dig through stuff. That's crazy. It's too early in the morning for this. I know. Okay.
Shock tower is in the way, and I can't get around it.
Yeah, that'd be fun.
So let's chain it.
Yeah,
they hit about 15 foot right there at that open gate area on the guardrail and rode it all the way down to here.
Wow. Think if that guardrail wasn't there.
He did intentionally hope he would hit that guardrail instead of somebody else. But he did well.
He did, yeah, he did good.
Yeah, I was going to go to one of these over here.
I don't think it's going to work there.
Yeah.
Hang on, give me. Yep.
As soon as I get clear here, I'll meet y'all over the impound lot.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep.
Where are we looking?
God, the only thing you got is control arm, so. Okay guys, just left the scene. We're headed over to police impound with this one. I really don't know what's going on, but it's bad. It's had, I mean, there was 3 agencies. Yeah, there was Sevier County, Pigeon Forge City, Gatlinburg City. So they must have chased this he or she for a very long time. The officer there that's with us is doing inventory. Said there was lots of things. There was lots of cash. I think that was the one thing.
Yeah, and other things. I'm not sure what.
Lots of cash and other things. He put them into that guardrail. So coming around Dudley Creek, if you know where the substation, power station is, right there off of Dudley Creek. when they started around that corner, he went ahead and got them into that guardrail. So he got them stopped, airbags deployed. There's pretty heavy damage as it rode the guardrail around. So I'm glad they got them off the streets. I don't know what they were into, but it sounds like they were into lots of bad things. But anyway, guys, we're going to get this one over and get it dropped so he can inventory the rest of the car.
They did ask us not to touch anything.
Yeah, no touch. No touch, so they're looking for prints and things like that, so we don't want to foul that up for them. This is another reason I like taking this. You know, I don't have to get in or touch steering wheels or touch doors. I didn't have to touch any of the car. So just straps, we don't have to mess with any of that stuff. So it does really good on that part of it. But yeah, guys, we're over here. We're about to drop this thing off. So stick around, stay tuned. If we get any more of the crazy story, then I'll try to update you guys. But for right now, they are in jail. Okay, YouTube, going up Ski Mountain here to do a jump start, and I thought I would share today's view with you because that's pretty amazing. Maybe not so much the construction. We're here in the little shop van. Easier to get up Ski Mountain in to do this jump start. This lady says that her doors, somebody opened up all of her doors last night and now our battery's dead. She's not sure who would come and open up all of her doors. This poor lady is naive enough to think that it wasn't a bear, I guess. But I guarantee you that bear came and opened up all of her doors, rummaged through her car to make sure she didn't have any chocolate goodies. And now our battery's dead. So that's where we're headed anyway, guys. But like I said, we're up here Ski Mountain. Yeah, tons of new construction. New cabins going in daily up here. But we can see why. Sorry for the wind noise. Don't have the sock on the camera. You got to look forward to maybe a snow event coming. So if you guys are coming into town for the Christmas season, I hope everybody's safe. They're calling for a couple inches of snow, and they're calling for some 5-degree temperatures. That is never fun. Hopefully that changes on the forecast because my diesel truck is not going to like 5-degree weather. I hope he can stop. It looks like he's got a bigger load than me. Anyway, stick around, stay tuned. We are headed to a jump start. Hello. I'm going to guess the bear decided to open your doors last night.
That's what I said, but she won't believe.
Oh, they do it. They'll open them up, they'll go through your car, and then they'll just leave. So, yeah, the bear is, if you got anything in there that even resembles food, it'll...
There was like a McDonald's cup.
Yeah.
There's nothing in it.
Smell the trace of it.
They will. They'll go through a car. They usually tear them up pretty bad. So, luckily your doors stayed open where they could get out.
Yeah, both of them were open.
Yeah. Yeah, normally we've had them where the door will close behind them and they'll get trapped and they'll total a car.
Yeah, I like used to detail.
Yeah.
And I really have spent a lot of hours in my car.
Yeah.
And it's very sad because my leather's messed up.
Oh no. Yeah, they'll and they stink too.
Well, this is the only night I've left.
Yeah, make sure you lock, and even the cabin doors they'll come in the door if you
Yeah.
It should start for us here if you want to give it a go. Yeah, make sure you leave it run for at least 30 minutes, or if you guys are getting ready to do some driving,
Yeah,
maybe
we were about to leave.
we can do card or cash, however you guys need to do it. If you've got roadside, they'll reimburse, so make sure you save our receipt.
Okay.
Hey, how you doing?
Hey, buddy. They called me for removal.
For me?
You're parked right in front of the sign, brother.
So I'm trying to find my way out of here, going back towards Pigeon Forest. So I think we're going that way, but it said there was a big backup, so I didn't know if there's another way around or where I should go.
Gotcha. Yeah, this is just employee parking lot, man.
Okay.
Sorry.
All right. Sorry, I'm just trying to get out of the way.
Yep. Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. Christmas lights are in full swing, and we've got somebody in the ditch. PD call. I think they said it was a Honda Civic. We should just be right around the corner from the scene. Hopefully it's not too bad. Everybody's okay.
We're on Glades Road.
If you couldn't tell, it's the famous road where they put manhole covers right in the tire track. They put about 500 of them on this road. It's quite the game to dodge.
I see lights. I see a car in the ditch too. Didn't we pull one out of here recently?
Not too long ago, yeah. They must have been going fast.
Zoom, zoom.
Hey, how are y'all? Doing good.
Front bumpers. Yeah. It's not a rock over here.
It's a pretty good sized rock.
Okay, I'll put those up that way.
Mom can't process it.
it's probably okay. It's mostly just a cosmetic.
Yeah, I was just getting a photo of that for the other officer. So once he does it,
Okay. If you got that stuff over there, so I probably be boom, I'll go get the
We got some heat shield that just wadded up. Maybe it'll. She's just going right up the road, so it's probably going to drag just a little bit. But
the flashlight's on the boom.
okay. Yep. Gotta go.
It got to go.
Okay, guys. We just dropped Miss Nancy off over here.
Dang, they're flying.
This is why people end up in that creek, isn't it?
Yeah.
But guys, that's she went in, and of course they put some of these bigger rocks in to keep, you know, the water slowed down and erosion, and it just helps with erosion control, which doesn't help with undercarriages of cars. So when that car went in, she kind of peeled back some of that heat shield, and as I was pulling, I tried to get the one bigger rock out of the way. You probably seen me stomp it down, but there was just so many up under there, and it just kind of finished rolling that heat shield off. She had the bumper pushed back a little bit, and there was some broken plastic and fog lights, but it's not as grim as it seems. Most of it was just plastic, and it looked like Miss Nancy had a few other mishaps in the little thing, but she's okay. Didn't hurt her a bit, and her car is just a few pieces of plastic away from back to its original state. But anyway,
parts.
yeah, spare parts. But anyway, guys, we got her out of there and got her delivered. She could have she drove it. We unloaded, and she drove it up to her driveway after we got the rest of the heat shield pulled off, and I got her bumper kind of pulled out away from some things, and so it runs and drives. It'll be fine. She'll get it to some shop and get her fixed up. But the important thing is Miss Nancy is okay. We're headed back down Glades Road and avoiding manhole covers again. But guys, we're gonna head back over. There was something that I wanted to put out there that I forgot on our.
The wreath?
Oh, the wreath, yes. I got so much going on, guys, I'm sorry. Somebody stopped by. We had some YouTube family stop by the lot, and I posted it to Instagram and got it on my personal page and Facebook page. So thank you guys very much for the wreath. The Christmas wreath was really cool. It was decorated to the max, and I know I got a phone call from Jerry and Kelly, the lot owners, and he was goofing with me. He appreciated it too. It looks nice. We're gonna we're gonna have to put up a Christmas tree over at the lot. The lot needs a Christmas tree, Jerry. And yeah, we'll just make it a tow museum and charge admission, and we'll get folks from all over the world. Anyway, guys, that's enough of that, I guess. And there was something else I was forgetting. I'm sure of it.
Probably.
There's somebody out there that was on my mind for a shout out or a shout back, or I'll remember. It'll come to me. So stick around, stay tuned. Don't want to miss out on that. We're going to get back down Boogertown Road. Yes, you heard it, Boogertown. My favorite traveling road between the shop and the house. If you guys want to catch me, you should frequent Boogertown. You'll probably see me do a drive-by over here about 3 a.m. most nights. Keep it between the lines, shiny side up, and we'll see you on the next one. Okay, guys, it's that time of year, winch cable replacement. We've got a lot of questions out there that ask me this. How often do I do it? And like I said, I usually try to do it once a year, whether it needs it or not. This was our brand new truck, so this one went 2 years. Probably pushing my luck. That old cable had quite a few burrs on it, but yeah, stick around with us. We're going to spool some cable. Just got a little end up here that you push this through, and it's got a set screw. I'll kind of show you guys a little bit here. The cable will go through this little hole right here, and it's got a little set screw that holds it once it comes around in, kind of pinches it, and then we're just going to commence on spooling. easier said than done. Getting it started, I guess, is the thing. I could turn the PTO on and pull it around, but the other one I was able to spin with my hand. Getting it up onto the cable guide. So this guide plate right here presses down on that cable, and that's what helps it spool evenly, because this keeps pressure on it, and getting it started is a little crazy. So we might have Kristen hit the PTO and help me with this side. You could spool winch in. Yep, keep going. Okay, right there. All right, guys, you can see there's my little set screw and my cable that came through here. I usually push them back down so that cable's not going to interfere with the spool when it comes around. Go a little bit more, honey. Okay, hold up. Sometimes I can pull that down from the bottom to get it level with that little groove, because that little groove will hold it down from interfering. New cable's really tight. That should squish in. That's pretty good right there. So I usually snug them up right there. And that's about it. We're going to commence on spooling after that. Okay. But over here in the end. Okay, dear. Yeah, no, go forward. Yep, we're good. Yep. Nice spool cable. What I like about this, guys, is I always get these the safety latches. They're very nice. Push up to pull, and they lock in. Sure, I think they're called Sure Lock, I believe it is, but they're just a lot better than that little. What we get with these other ones are the latch ends up. This one's still in good shape, but it's just tough to deal with that. And it's just a flimsy little piece, where that thing is nice. You can hook ropes through it, and you know it's a nice lock. So I really like that style better. That's that, guys. Fresh cables ready for something heavy that we're not supposed to winch out.